Okay. Hey guys, what's happening? Basically nothing in my life goes on at all because quarantine, right? So, because of that, there's nothing I do. I don't really have any inspiration for anything. So, like, literally nothing in my life has been going on. Um, and I kind of look like garbage, not gonna lie, so. Yep, not much I can really do at all for anything. Um, yeah, so this is going to be, I don't know what this is going to be. I just started recording my voice. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I just need to get a video out one day. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna talk about my upload schedule. So upload schedule, I try to get out every Monday at 12 p.m. Sometimes it doesn't happen because of whatever reason, but I try to do that. Now that I say that, it's probably gonna fail, but that's what I try to do. This might be a Q&A, I guess, because that's the only thing I can think of. Boom, Q&A, fun times. Please leave your comments. Leave your comments, yeah. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. I'll respond to them in the next video. Boom. Destroyed, wrecked. Okay, goodbye, because I'm dying over here. Okay, it is like, what the heck? I need to show you guys. Okay, the actual rain outside right now, dude. It's hailing. Holy! Not even. Oh my gosh! It's hailing out right now. I need to show you guys a video of this because this is crazy. Holy smokes. What is going on? I'm sorry for the silence, guys, but I'm like looking at a window right now. Holy. Alright, I'm gonna try to edit out the silence, but I don't know if I can. I think I should have been showing a video of the weather outside. Holy smokes, okay. Video's ending. See you guys in the next one.